See as they take buy this woman wey be say im pikin buy motor for am to celebrate this Xmas, and this woman don receive the call say im pikin don buy motor for am o. Na so the woman come dey happy. Person wey go drive car wey im pikin wey im suffer for many years buy for am. 30 minutes, not up to 30 minutes after he receive this call, na people wey dey call ndomekome, wey dey buy people, dey collect their thing by force. He say those people na so dey go buy this woman. This im pikin na dey come call am immediately say your mama don buy you. Na the boy craze say wetin happen. Mama wey him talk na. The person wey wan drive this motor dey there. And this is happening in Imo State. Could you imagine wetin dey go on for inside Southeast? If na you, wetin you go do? My people, let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We dey here today to bring this update for you, where this our brother dey seek justice for him mama wey dey buy. Him mama wey don plan how he want to celebrate this Xmas with him mama. Na so they go buy him mama, collect money wey dey for him mama account. Let's play you the video. For most of una wey no dey understand Igbo, I go still come talk more about the video. Let's watch the video together.
The Tiger Basic release that first
never market transfer.
Never mam transfer.
Only who ya potra
na WhatsApp na number. Then after mail I will out of I want to go one evidence. I will again days on night. So they were all shocked and surprised. The next day they said I have to mobilize them. Can we ya blew the boy from Maya to me, coming from Maya to me. Then how they will pick the boy. Nania Lawa. We have to pick the boy Lawa. How draw the boy some questions in the gallery. The boy and the phone number who care. No gain your wine. I Johnny in your one, he labeled yes in your wine, no, over naked. They still called me to mobilize, and I mobilized them. Here she go my have pick the girl. The girl I will no case on your one, and always mother case or who case I gave. Etiwa aka ya sengwa hemere no ge kwezo okuni normal nga nko why na number the boy. Even the boy girl they provide the extra phone number so ji mepe cha WhatsApp. The girl am nga ngwa bande police in zone 9 na this boy ya Ghana UB na account na bank that mepe account mepe cha the account jide the ATM jide the BVN jide hindi ne basra the account
BVN no nye ke eji mepe the account
BVN no the girl which is any one.
Then I hold you on the account mepe.
I had the girl. Then Yama is the ATM.
Okay, the boy is the ATM.
Yes, Jiban the same card. Eji mepe the account. He never basra the account. The girl amage. Nani Yama.
Okay, Oja had the girl na BVN yeah. Mepe cha account.
Mepe cha account.
Then Jideze ATM.
Jideze the ATM. Then the police they freeze the account.
Okay.
Matapano teshi go. At first, the police when the boy say no man to 800,000 on account of the girl she remain. Then the girl go banana he gave an account to mepe go tie me gaga ama because he has to remember we pay the girl.
But onye went a lot. The girl on went a lot.
The girl anaghị enweta a lot. Don't have no on magị na such money on account. They went to here many involved. Okay. The one was na na-ekwu na phone number ahụ na statement of accounts, no phone number the boy.
Okay.
So after the girl ekwuchakwa some other things which they have not cleared up to us.
Okay.
So I continue by the investigation since so kemgbe ahụzi anyị na-agapara through.
I don't know. I better know no nwere onye batagala okwu ahụ.
Yes. After I say in the zone 9 we was ha shikara menwezie me izazi call line me make some kind things. So I actually was iwe who actually the case back to Tiger Base. Can we the quarantine easy because of every day na home and I manna expenses how much I need from my guy. So I go say back or the try easy. Okay. So on the process and I say na the man which is those boys the Amamoto Shimete information. There's a petition against the tonight. It goes by a gas and all ball over release a room and a hand of here. Out of some evidences, now that boy I can know him away wound them. No, I am away the away him. So then I do a woman and a release. So because of it, tonight as the AIG assigned an idea. Your ENI appointment last 2 weeks, which week I got. But so your fair or do turn around. Okay. So here in Zan I got on Friday.
Okay.
So I got zone 9 on Friday. Reaching zone 9. I bought the boy. Nigeria to Yane Ekupane deny something. So
phone number
no, he will put on a phone number, but on the aspect also on my to credit 2,000 ship at an account there. Okay. And on my one the police are gala na ewele phone ya because on n'ime cell na agba the police no give no way phone. N'ime cell dia can the police she mata na on ewele phone one of the inmates na akpọmpa say na the police na bi cho phone ya na zucha phone ya o ma na ndị ya na ha no dia wu ndị police. The police they say they agwazenda the IPC no nya on the phone. So mpaya no lo and behold dia on mpaya na that day. And there's a village in Bagapoma that day. So I just did the 10 umpire. See a phone now, that with them more and I get the 10. So out of order, I got with the phone. From the phone, KG discovered that the boy in the account. And the 3 million naira, which is the first withdrawal ever from on an account there. He discovered right here. Every statement of account of Veteran Basara account to the boy, Motoshi Webego T. AIG are dropping some questions which Obuchapara were wrong, according to him. And I make one common statement in here on a now. Na here na videos on them any SN a video channel. They do I will go. So therefore now I met any at the end of the day the truth to happen. So Nisho Kumni Nehemenum they put in the human rights that very day I got the police roll and somebody had a one na ewelone hana gapula choziri zuru case na asina the man wo case obulo batara n'ime ya anyo and the man no onwe ya kwano rogo ka emege everything ka oburo na the police ga-enye phone that boy
enye achi ha phone
that boy
so ya evidence
ka ha were ya yes ka ha were ya Chipano when access to echo those boys. I'm not on accounts on that and a freeze area, which they are trying to do. In high Chorokunu, better Kuno, Batara, and say, can with a fair justice because Roro Batawalana case. Mamma one issue, not allow home for many years. Man, not to say, Metopan.
I know is
that very day, money I put the call on Korea before ya walk call on where I'm mommy. I love from Lagos, every motor so tralage. Yeah, the child happy. Joaze Munge Bulatalico, I'm saying I can't have a problem because they made my arrangement when money I say Bulate. I am bachelor fuel, a Beshagamu. I told Muzie. Call but even Moyene Bulata the motor was very shocked on with the news. Now here no money I put let's go move for ya uruzie gone. So MG second year.
Email Labiano Loro Protect the Weak International Foundation. The guy American Mana will follow it up with the AIG zone 9. Will write a strong worded petition. I get there. Follow this case up. Then gay onya who be a case ya. Where Fake when ofe, Makaroga come as far as this case Abjala, na table protect the Weak International Foundation. You got this video. Gay onya, I don't know your bow. You were your bow. If you are in a chair when in a jimbo, a zook. Where Fake when ofe, to pour Kamara, I get me foggy. In as case is reachable case as a case. You know, don't buy bad case, buy a good case. You know, because I gave for target. I not sure you cookie now, but I gave cookie. By the time I got all my you can sure we may insist. Now this case, Rachel Israel, we will expose you. We are warning you. So we are calling upon the AIG and in the security agencies. Of course, this case will case in court. And when you're as far as this case is concerned, when also we are going to follow this case to the last conclusion. There is justice for this woman. We are going to see to it. Yamran make a lending in a bunti, when I can lend them Bise, Nakalenti, Nakalenti, Nigeria, above an on agente, one suggestion again, Yapani, Tinirani and a comment section, Tosaposia, go wike gazu wanine, Kaina bush now by Harala now bumpo, now they will know.
You see wetin dey happen inside this country where would they? Nah. Waiting be the anger of this guy now. I be say, in mama where they about to give justice, another person will be saying like to buy trouble. People they like to buy trouble. He say the person now don't come outside say he want buy this trouble. Then make the person wey buy this woman just go like that. This is now waiting they go on. My people, what do you think for this matter? If now you be this boy, what do you go do? But however, this man wey wan do this thing to this boy, he can never succeed. In anywhere, feel like me Richard and Dan Gote no go succeed do am. My people, abeg may you leave your own opinion and contribution for inside this update wey will bring you na see wetin dey happen. Wetin be your opinion? If na you be this boy, wetin you go tell am make him do now? Abi wetin dey do now na the right thing wey him suppose do. Police wan put hand for this thing, join that man take do this thing, but as this matter don come outside, I believe say e no go easy for them again. Leave your own opinion for inside comment section.